A previously unrecognized version of Linux malware has been found to be targeting organizations in Southeast Asia and is being tracked as FontOnLake or HCRootkit. FontOnLake is a modular rootkit that appears to be in active development and includes abilities like enabling remote access, credential theft, and even running as a proxy server. Attacks using FontOnLake appear to be targeted and designed to collect data among other malicious activities. Samples that have been discovered of this malware are using a variety of command and control servers, indicating that the network behind the malware is quite extensive. The malware is able to evade detection and installs modified binaries to replace common legitimate binaries on an infected system. The rootkit has stayed out of sight since as early as May of 2020, but is detected by the multi-layer detection engines included in Acronis Cyber Protect for Linux, keeping your data and your system safe from this and other Linux malware threats.